Sometimes in your Maths Level 2 Functional Skills exam, you're going to have to show how much something has either gone up by or gone down by as a percentage. Now this is what we call percentage change, and I'm going to show you the nice, quick, easy method to be able to work these types of questions out. So for example, the price of a litre of petrol has increased from £1.20 to £1.65 over a 6-month period. What is the percentage increase? How much is it gone up by as a percentage? The method that we use for these is to basically find out what the difference is between the two values, and that works the same with decreases. So work out the difference between the two, divide it by what the original value is. So you can see we've kind of put it in a fraction here, so top divided by bottom, and then we're timesing it by 100. So the difference between these, then we've got £1.65. We'll just take off the £1.20 equals 0.45, so 45p. I'm going to do 0.45 divided by 1.20, and then whatever your answer to that is, we'll times it by 100, and that will give us the percentage that this has gone up by. So let's have a look on the calculator. We've got 0.45 divided by 1.20 gives us 0.375, times that by 100 gives us 37.5% as an increase there. So it's gone up by 37.5%. So as a quick recap, work out the difference between the two, divide your difference by the original starting value, and then times your answer to that by 100. So we've got this first practice question on the screen now. I want you to pause the video, have a little go at it, and then in the comments let me know if you got this one right. We'll go over the answer afterwards. Okay, so the cost of a first class stamp in 2012 was 60p. In 2022 it's £1.10. What's the percentage increase in the price? So first of all, you've got to be careful. Obviously we were dealing in pence and pounds, so you've got to convert your pence into pounds. So essentially just add 0 point on the front of it. So what's the difference between them? We've got £1.10 minus 0.6, 60p, and that gives us a difference of 50p. So remember, it's your difference divided by what your starting value was. So in this one, 0.6. So 0.5 divided by 0.6 times that by 100 gives us 83.3%. I'll just do it for one decimal place. 83.3% is an answer to that question. So well done if you got that one right. Let's have a look at the next practice question. So Tanya earns £25,000 a year. Next year this will rise to £26,000. By what percentage will her salary have increased by? So again, pause the video. Let me know if you got this one right. So how do we work this one out? So we're looking at the difference between the two. So 26,000 minus 25,000 equals 1,000. We're going to divide that by the original value, so her starting salary. So 1,000 divided by 25,000 times that by 100, and that should give us 4%, which is D. Okay, we've got another couple of practice questions. Again, have a go at these. Ask any questions. If you get any of these wrong, let me know in the comments and I'll try and answer them in the comments. So first question then. 5 years ago, 3,000 turtles nested on a beach. This year, 3,090 nested on the beach. What is the percentage change in the number of turtles nesting on the beach? So we're going to work out what the difference is first. We can see that's 90. 90 divided by the original value, which was 3,000, times your answer to that by 100. So 90 divided by 3,000 times that by 100 equals 3%. So it's had a 3% increase. Now we're going to look at the next question. So Majid's car had a mileage of 12,500 miles at the start of the year. It's now 14,750. What is the percentage change in the mileage of Majid's car? So we'll find out what the difference is first. So that will give us a difference of 2,250. I'm going to work out 2,250 divided by the original value, which was 12,500, and then times the answer to that by 100, and that will give us an answer of 18%. His mileage has gone up by 18%. That's the end of this lesson. Do consider subscribing to keep up to date with any new lessons that come to the channel, and do check out any other videos that we've got here that you'll find useful for your functional skills level 2 maths exam. Cheers.